All right, so logically, we are grown and we know that vegetables are good for us. But studies have shown that most of us do not get enough of them in our diet. And vegetables have a lot of vitamins and minerals and fiber that our body needs to work at its optimal level. But I get it. Some of us are out here in these streets saying, I do not like vegetables, Makita. So if that is you, or if you're just wanting creative ways to get more vegetables in this diet, then this video is for you. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Makita, back with another video that I hope that you will find value in. And in this video, I'm gonna give you a few tips on how you can incorporate vegetables in your diet and make it more pleasurable. All right, so number one is have your vegetables paired with guacamole, maybe some ranch, maybe some hummus, and dip your vegetables in these different sides. Now, my son, my 5-year-old son, I cannot get this child to eat vegetables, but honey, if he could pour ranch, lather ranch all over a huge bowl of salad, he will eat every bit of it. And yes, you might be saying, but Makita, that's a lot of calories. I buy light ranch, and I'm like, knock yourself out. Because at least, at the very least, he is getting vegetables in his diet. So number one, I would suggest is to add a dip to your vegetables to help you get it in. The next tip is to roast them. A lot of times if you season and roast your vegetables, that caramelization kind of creates a little sweetness on the vegetables and it makes it more bearable and it kind of gives that little sweet roasted taste. So I would suggest, if you haven't already, to season those vegetables up, spray a little olive oil on it, and roast those babies up and see how you like it, right? The next way I'm gonna tell you to get more vegetables in your diet is, sneak it in then. Sneak it in. Puree it and add it to your spaghetti. Puree your tomatoes and your various vegetables and sneak them into some meatballs in a crock pot. Puree them and sneak them into a smoothie. That is my favorite way of getting a huge, significant amount of vegetables in my diet, is putting them in a smoothie and adding fruit. So I will add a big heaping cup of spinach or kale, and then I'll add strawberries and pineapples and a little bit of coconut water, and it kind of masks the flavor, but you're still getting in a nice serving of vegetables within your diet by just sneaking them in a smoothie. And don't forget your protein powder, making it a meal replacement. Now, the last thing you can do is maybe focus your attention on having more fruit in your diet, because a lot of times fruit is going to have the same minerals as vegetables, but what I will caution you is that fruit's going to have a significantly amount of calories than opting for vegetables, and also more fruit. So I would suggest to try one of these other tricks before you say, forget vegetables, I'm gonna eat fruit all day. So I would definitely say try that first. And that is all I have for y'all. I wanted to make this video because a lot of people have been requesting it. So if you found value in this, let me know which one you're gonna try in the comment box below. Make sure you give this video a like, y'all, for the YouTube algorithm. That's all I ask of you. And share this video for somebody who you know may not be feeling vegetables. And I will see you in the next video.